Hi everyone, I welcome you all to the second video of machine learning series. In this video, we'll see if there is any difference between machine learning, deep learning, and artificial intelligence. So let's begin without wasting our precious time. A lot of people believe that some of you might also believe the same is all these three terms are same. But you know what? They're not. So let's understand each term one at a time. So let me begin with artificial intelligence, short form AI. So when you hear someone talking about AI, uh, what comes in your mind? Take a moment and think about it. Like Gemini, ChatGPT, Perplexity, and various other AI tools, Tesla car as well. So these are the things which usually pops up in our mind when we hear the term AI or artificial intelligence, isn't it? So if you closely understand them, try to have a closer look at them, you'll able to see a pattern. All these tools are somehow becoming as smart as the humans are. They are actually trying to mimic humans intelligence, right? So artificial intelligence is exactly that. Artificial intelligence is the big idea of making machines intelligence. All right. Now comes what is machine learning then? So machine learning is one of the approaches which we use to make a machine intelligence, which we use to incorporate human intelligence into a machine. Okay, so what we actually do, as I explained it in the very first video of this series, that in machine learning, what we actually do, we train the machine with tons of data, and once it learns to recognize patterns, they once it learns to recognize patterns, then it can make predictions or decisions on unseen data as well. So this is what we actually do in machine learning. So if we are training any machine uh, by feeding data, that uh, that learning or that process will come under machine learning. Now the third term is deep learning. So like you can think of deep learning, so it is actually based on neural networks. In our brains we have neurons, so it is uh, closely based on that only. So what we do in deep learning, we give machines lot of data without labels. We don't put any labels, we just provide the data, and the machine figures out patterns on its own using deep neural networks. So in a nutshell, I can like we can say that AI is the goal, machine learning is one of the way to achieve that goal, and deep learning is one particular family of machine learning methods. Okay, I can put these three terms in set theory concept as well. So I can say artificial intelligence is the superset of machine learning and deep learning, while machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence, and deep learning is also a subset of, or I can say machine learning is a superset of deep learning, and deep learning is a subset of machine learning. Let me say that again. It might be overwhelming for some of you people. So I'll say this again. Artificial intelligence is superset of machine learning. So I can say machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence, right? Now, The second is machine learning is a superset of deep learning. So I can say deep learning is a subset of machine learning, right? So those who have read, who still remember some of the things from set theory, they'll be able to relate with this. So I'll also show you an example of that. You can imagine like this. See, so artificial intelligence is the big term, it's the big idea, it's the big umbrella of making machines uh, intelligence, or uh, helping machines mimic human intelligence. All right, then comes machine learning, and then deep learning. So I hope this clears your doubt regarding these three terms. They are not same. There is slight there is a slight difference between these three terms. They are not same. So from the next time when someone says all these terms are same, let them know that these terms are not same. Okay, there are certain differences that I talked about in this video. I hope uh, this makes things clear for you. If you still have any doubts regarding this topic, please drop them into the comment section. I'll go through them and take those doubts in my upcoming video. So that's all. Thank you for watching and have a good day and happy learning.